Hey guys, Lifehacksss owner here. Just fixing my bike. You know, just got a new one. My last one got stolen. And yeah, Vince and Javon and Kane, the bro. We're getting ready for Beast Feast. You know. This thing is so rusty.
Javon, so tell them what you're doing.
I'm just going to change
Inner tube?
the inner tube and put that off-road tire on this rim.
Alright, show them the tool you got. What's that tool called?
It's right here. I guess it's a ratchet. I don't know. A wrench.
Alright, let me get over here real quick to show them. This is a new phone, by the way, so the camera quality is probably going to be much better. Alright, Jay. So, what are you doing right now?
Taking these off. He put these on. The dude I got it from put these on there so the tire won't move while you ride it. Same thing.
Aren't these spacers? Or what does the spacers do?
They washers. Basically spacers.
Yeah.
No, they're not spacers.
But they're cheap.
What are air pump?
Huh? Oh, it's air pump. Air pump. Javon's tire right here. Here,
I need something to get the air out of the tire.
Wait, he needs a pump? Yeah, you need an air pump?
No, I just need something to get the air out.
Yeah, okay, it's fine.
Like my cat.
Where'd it go? Oh, that's nice. Can you focus it in?
Hey.
That's nice. Antoine, if you're watching, hi, because I know you watch every video I put up. You've been bugging me, so here you go. Also, a couple vloggers. What would you like to say about a couple vloggers, Javon?
Couple vloggers.
This is the co-owner of Lifehacksss. I seen the video that you put out. If you happen to watch this, seen the video that you actually put out from one of my life hacks. I'm about to show it to Javon to get his reaction. But so a couple vloggers, they put out a vlog every day, sort of like how I do them vlogs. They just happen to do one every day of what they do in their daily life. It's pretty cool because you see what they do every day and all of that cool stuff. So I'll put a link to their channel below and as well on the screen. Well, actually, I don't know if I can do it on the screen because my computer's not working, so I gotta use iMovie. So Javon, what are you doing? You gonna remove it?
Yep.